Hi there, this is Grooving and I'm making one last video for this sound effects workflows. I've just got one little thing I want to show you which I've actually found out about quite recently, and I think it should really help some of you, so I'm going to jump straight into it and make this a really quick tutorial. So essentially what this is it's a new way of searching for your files. Now, I think everyone knows about this tags browser you have, where you can click on this tags icon and you have this list to browse through, and you can select a tag and then you can scroll through this. You can order them by the rating, you can then add them to your favorite spin and potentially then come back on this side, and now you've got these files in your favorite spin where you can use them as you want. Now, this is useful and you get a nice visual representation of this list, but there's a disadvantage here in that you've always got to click off the tag you're on, because if you select two tags, it's now showing me both these tags, the bass live and the bass 808. But if I then want to go and select Asia, for instance, I can hit clear and then I can go on Asia, and Asia can be my tag. So if you actually wanted to always search for a new tag each time, because I don't find myself very often searching for different tags, I find myself much more often searching for individual tags. What you can actually do is use your search bar at the top. You see this little spotlight search icon, there's this little click down menu. Now, when you're just in a folder view, like right now I'm just looking in my Macintosh HD, it's giving me all my recent searches. But if I actually select my database search and then come up to this little spotlight search icon, I've then got this metadatabase tags drop list, and I can select all my tags from this nice big list, and this will take me to my tags. Now, each time if I click a new one, it's taking me to a new tag. The handy thing about doing it this way is that I'm not stuck in this view where I'm having to add my files to my favorite spin, then coming back, then going to my favorite spin, and then I'm now able to say drag these files off to one of my playlists. By tag searching through using this search bar, you're actually already on this side, so you can then select files and drag them straight to your lists and folders. Now there's another way which uses this search bar at the top. What you can do is if you go to database search and you can see this little bunch of ticks, I think by default it'll just have everything ticked. But if you just wanted to search for a specific tag, the problem is if I type in, say, Bell here, it's going to come up, yes, with the things I've tagged with Bell, but also with file names called Bell. Now this will mean you'll have songs in there that are on your hard drive and all kinds of things you don't want. I don't want this kind of wavy synth when I'm looking for bells, but what you can do is if you just untick search for file name, search for folder name, then you're going to get all your samples that you've tagged with Bell. Yeah, and I think this kind of completes this little sound effects segment now, so any of you who are working with big sound effects library, this might be a good little feature for you to learn about. Yeah, so thanks for listening everyone, and look for more content from me on Twisted Wave, and maybe last little bits of Audio Finder I'm cleaning up coming soon.